If a company ever gives you your old work laptop to keep, but you can't get into it because it's locked out, here's how to reset it. See, it's really cool that the company gives you the laptop, but most IT departments never reset these, so you end up with a laptop that's completely useless. In order to unlock and reset this laptop, what you're gonna need is another working computer and a flash drive that's at least 8 gigabytes in size. Start by plugging in the flash drive and just know that everything on this drive is about to be wiped. If you have any information on here, just go ahead and back that up first. On the working computer, you wanna go to this website here to go ahead and download Windows 11. We're gonna scroll down to create Windows 11 installation media and click download. Then we can click on the media creation tool, click yes, accept the terms, just use the recommended options, click next. We're gonna do the USB flash drive option, click next again, select our USB flash drive that we wanted to install onto, and then click next. The application will automatically download a version of Windows 11 for the installation media and put it on that flash drive. Complete, just go ahead and click finish, pull out the USB flash drive, plug it into the locked laptop, make sure the laptop is all the way off. What you're gonna do is figure out what your pause startup key for your manufacturer. For Lenovo, it's gonna be Enter, for HP, it's Escape, and for Dell, it's F12. Other manufacturers have their own, but those are the main three that you'll see in the commercial environment. So if we go ahead and press the power button, then we can go ahead and click the Enter key a bunch of times. We'll see that it says launching startup interrupt menu. You're gonna wanna look for something called choose temporary startup device, or maybe boot menu or boot selector. There's usually a couple different names for it. So in this case, we're gonna press F12. This will open up the boot menu for us. And in here, we're gonna wanna select the name of our USB flash drive that has the installation media and click Enter. Give it a second, we'll open up the installation menu. In here, we're gonna go ahead and click next, next again, and we're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure it's checked for install Windows 11, accept the terms, click next. It will then ask you to go ahead and accept the terms again, go ahead and click accept. Now it's gonna ask you, where do you wanna install Windows 11? Here's the big part that you wanna do here. We're gonna wanna go ahead and delete the old partitions on the drive that was installed inside the system to allow us to go ahead and reformat the entire system. So we're gonna come over here to disk 0 partition 4, that's gonna be the internal drive. We're gonna go ahead and click delete partition. If you're ever unsure, just look at the size. Usually the larger one that's not the size of your flash drive is the one that you're looking for. We're gonna also delete these other partitions because they are associated with the old install. And once we're done, we'll see that disk 0 has a total size of 400 and about 80 gigabytes. That's because it's probably a 500 gigabyte drive. And we're gonna go ahead and click create partition, click apply, automatically partition the drive for you. And then if we go ahead and make sure that the largest partition, which has the most amount of data available, we're gonna go ahead and select that and click next. Get one more confirmation letting you know that everything on the system is going to be wiped. So we're going to go ahead and click install, and that will go ahead and start the Windows installation process. Once it's done, your laptop will look like it's brand new and just came out of the box. So you can go ahead and log into your Microsoft account and get everything set up just for yourself. And all of the junk has now been removed.